Question 21, test 8 on exponents and logarithms. Question 21 is, given the parent function f of x equals to log x, state the transformation that must be applied to produce the function f of x equals to minus 3 log 2x plus 6 minus 5. State the intercepts and asymptotes of the transformed function and state the domain and range of the transformed function. I'd like you to do this question on your own, and I'll give you some hints to do it, right? First and foremost, where I find many students making a mistake, that is not factoring 2 here. So first thing you should write here is rewrite the equation by factoring this, which is minus 3 log of, take 2 common, x plus 3 minus 5. So that makes a huge difference, and those students who don't factor 2 here will write a wrong or incorrect horizontal translation. Horizontal translation in this case is 3 units to left, not 6 units to left, right? So that is kind of a huge mistake, right? So we can explain the transformation. They are simple, straightforward. Minus means reflection on x-axis. 3 is vertical stretch by a factor of 3. Horizontally compressed by a factor of half. And 3 units translate left. Minus 5 is translate 5 units down. So that is the transformation. Now state the intercepts and asymptote of the transformed function. Now, 1. There is always a vertical asymptote, correct? Now this vertical asymptote will be changed only with this value, correct? So the vertical asymptote for us moves 3 units to left. So instead of being at x equals to 0, so the vertical asymptote for us is at x equals to minus 3. So that is the shift in vertical asymptote, right? To find the intercepts, now if you put y equals to 0, you can calculate x, right? So if this is 0, 3 will come, 5 will come this side, that becomes 5. Then you have to divide by minus 3. Right? And then this is log to the base 10. So take it 10 to the power of that, okay? So you get 2 times x plus 3. Then you divide by 2 and subtract 3 to get x. So you need to do all those calculations to get your intercept, correct? Now, to get y-intercept, you have to place x equals to 0. So place x equals to 0 and calculate the y-intercept. Well, you can use your calculator in doing these calculations, right? That is kind of important because you'll get points, maybe some decimal points somewhere, right? So use calculator to find your intercepts. Now state domain and range of the transformed function. So the domain remains, so domain is on the right side of minus 3, right? Because the graph moved 3 units to the left. So x is greater than 3 minus, x is greater than minus 3, correct? So that is our domain. That minus 3 comes from here, not from there, okay? This is causing change in domain, right? So that is a change in domain. And for the range, it is all real numbers for a logarithmic function, right? So that answers part C. I hope that is clear. And if you have any difficulty, let me know. Write down your comments, will help you out. And there are many similar examples here and videos which will help you answer this question. Thank you.